Getting fit at home is easier than most people think. You don't need a gym membership, machines, or expensive equipment. Your body is the training tool. With the right exercises, you can build strength, gain mobility, burn fat, and reshape your body in weeks. These 10 movements target every major muscle group and work for all fitness levels. The key is consistency. 3 to 5 sessions a week can deliver fast transformation. 1. Push-ups. Push-ups remain one of the most effective upper body exercises in history. They target your chest, shoulders, triceps, and engage core muscles. Every rep requires your body to stabilize itself while pushing against gravity. The beauty of push-ups is the huge variation range. Beginners can start on knees, using a wall, or elevating hands on a chair. Intermediate and advanced users can move to classic push-ups, diamond push-ups, decline push-ups, and explosive push-ups for power training. 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions create excellent strength gains. Focus on form. Keep your body straight, lower yourself until your chest nearly touches the floor, and push through palms evenly. Over time, you'll see stronger arms, a wider chest, and improved core stability. Push-ups also help posture by reversing shoulder collapse caused by phone and desk work. For total upper body fitness at home, nothing beats the push-up. 2. Squats. Squats are the king of lower body training, working your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core. They mimic real movement, sitting, standing, lifting, so strength improvements translate to everyday life. Start with bodyweight squats. Feet shoulder-width apart, hips back like sitting, lower until thighs are parallel, and rise with control. Keep your chest up and knees stable. Once mastered, progress to sumo or jump squats. 3 slow sets of 15 build endurance, burn calories, and boost metabolism since legs are the largest muscle group. Even at home, squats create fast strength and noticeable fat loss. 3. Planks. Planks look simple, but holding a straight body line quickly challenges your core. They work your abs, lower back, obliques, shoulders, and even legs, building deep stability, better posture, and less back pain. Place elbows under shoulders, extend legs, and keep your body neutral. Don't lift or sag your hips. Start with 20-30 seconds, then build to 1 or 2 minutes. Variations include side planks or leg lifts. Just a few minutes daily can tighten the waist and reveal definition faster than endless crunches. 4. Lunges. Lunges work the quads, glutes, and hamstrings while improving balance and fixing strength imbalances between legs. Each leg works independently, building equal power. Start standing upright, step forward, lower both knees to 90 degrees, and push through the front heel to stand. Alternate legs for each rep. Add difficulty with walking lunges or jump lunges. 3 sets of 10 per leg create strong legs and visible glute shape. Lunges also build functional strength for stairs, running, and long periods of standing. 5. Burpees. Burpees are a full-body conditioning exercise that combines strength and cardio into a single movement. Each repetition includes a squat, plank, push-up, and jump. This sequence forces the heart rate up, burns calories rapidly, and builds muscle endurance. Burpees are challenging, which is why they work. They recruit nearly every muscle group at once, including chest, shoulders, arms, core, back, and legs. Beginners can skip the push-up or jump to make burpees easier until conditioning improves. A set of burpees performed for 30 to 60 seconds creates a visible cardio challenge. Adding burpees into any workout routine guarantees rapid fat loss and improved stamina. Athletes use burpees because they train explosiveness, agility, and resilience. 3 sets of 10 repetitions are a strong start. With consistency, burpees turn the body into a calorie-burning engine without any equipment at all. 6. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a dynamic core exercise that also raises heart rate. Start in plank position and drive your knees toward your chest one at a time, like running horizontally. This creates strong tension in the abs while building endurance in the shoulders. After 20 seconds, most people feel intense core activation. They work as both core training and cardio conditioning. Perform 30 seconds non-stop, rest, and repeat. Advanced options include crossing knees to opposite elbows or speeding up for a cardio burn. Because they train muscles and boost heart rate, mountain climbers are excellent for burning belly fat at home. 7. Glute bridge. Glute bridges target the glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. Strong glutes support posture, walking, running, and lifting, while weak glutes often cause lower back pain and stiffness after long periods of sitting or standing. To perform the exercise, lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat. Lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees, squeeze the glutes at the top, then lower with control. Perform 3 sets of 15 reps. Glute bridges also activate the core and increase hip mobility. Once the basic bridge is mastered, progress to single-leg bridges, elevated bridges, or add weight using a backpack. This exercise builds real strength and improves performance in all other lower body movements. 8. Bicycle crunch. Bicycle crunch is one of the most complete abdominal exercises. It works the upper abs, lower abs, and obliques in one continuous motion. Lying on your back, hands behind your head, lift both legs and alternate driving elbows toward opposite knees while extending the other leg. The twisting and stretching motion activates the core deeply and increases abdominal endurance. The key is slow, controlled movement, not speed. 30 seconds of high-quality repetitions creates greater results than 100 fast, loose reps. This exercise tightens the waistline by targeting obliques, helping create the visible V shape. Incorporating bicycle crunch into a core circuit accelerates fat loss when combined with planks and mountain climbers. 3 rounds of 30 seconds with short rest periods create an intense abdominal workout without any equipment at all. Consistency reveals definition and strength in your core. 9. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks may look like a simple warm-up exercise, but they deliver a powerful cardiovascular effect. They work the legs, shoulders, calves, and core while keeping the heart rate elevated. Their rhythmic motion increases blood flow, warms muscles, and prepares the body for more intense activity. However, jumping jacks can also be used as a standalone cardio exercise, especially for beginners or people with limited space. Performing 1 minute of jumping jacks between strength exercises keeps the heart rate high, increasing total calorie burn. Advanced variations include star jumps, high knee jacks, and plank jacks. Because this exercise is low impact and requires zero equipment, it is ideal for home sessions. It also improves coordination, rhythm, and footwork. 10 minutes of jumping jacks in intervals deliver the same cardiovascular benefits as jogging for the same amount of time without leaving the house. 10. Stair climb or step-ups. If you have stairs at home, you already have a leg machine. Stair climbing is one of the most powerful leg strength and cardio exercises. It trains quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, calves, and improves lung capacity. Step on the stair with one leg, push through the heel, stand tall, and come back down in control. Alternate legs for balanced strength. 3 sets of 15 repetitions per leg create noticeable improvements in leg strength. If you don't have stairs, use a stable chair or step. Step-ups simulate real-world movement patterns like climbing, running uphill, and carrying weight. Over time, this exercise also shapes the glutes and creates strong, stable knees. Increase difficulty by speeding up the pace or holding household items for resistance. Stairs turn any home into a functional training environment, delivering intense lower body results in a compact space. Stay consistent, even if the workout feels simple. Increase difficulty by adding reps, time, or harder variations. Track progress and focus on proper form. Quality beats quantity. Combine training with clean nutrition, hydration, and good sleep for faster results. Recovery builds muscle and burns fat. In weeks, you'll feel stronger. In months, you'll look stronger. These exercises work because they use natural body mechanics. With patience, you can build a fit body at home.